Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello. How are you doing?
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Hello,
How are you
Rosa.
guys?
Hello, Saif.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
How are you doing?
Yes, all
I'm
good.
doing well. Thank you very much for asking. How are you doing?
Now is when I say, oh, pretty bad. I need a session with my therapist. I'm okay. I'm okay. Just
You're
kidding.
okay. Well, are you making money or no?
Yeah, I'm making money, so
Then,
that's what's
then good or
counting.
bad does not matter anymore.
Yeah. Good thing.
And
Yeah, good thing to
bad is
know.
good. Good is bad.
Yeah.
How are you, Rajdeep? How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Just I'm not feeling that well due to the season changes. I'm having some cough.
Yeah, me
But
too. Me too. I'm feeling sick a little bit, but I think it's because I have a toddler at home. That's why. Because she eats everything off the floor, so
Yeah,
probably that's the reason I'm always sick.
it
Uh,
is.
yeah. This is the best place for therapy. Yes, it is. Hello, Shishi. Hello. Hello, farming. All right. So, what do you have for us today, guys? Rajdeep, what's your bias
yes,
today?
uh, I want to see some sales, but I think we are going to consolidate today just because we have NFP tomorrow.
hmm We have
I want
initial jobless
any
claims
view.
in 30 minutes, by the way.
Yeah.
In 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me double check the time. Yeah, 27 minutes. Correct.
Okay.
And yesterday, was it yesterday or before yesterday? I think yesterday we had the ADP non-farm employment change numbers, which were positive. Usually, traders look at those as a preview of the NFP numbers that are released on Friday. So it always comes in like no, Christopath, not NFP in 30 minutes. NFP is tomorrow. We have initial jobless
Oh,
claims in 30 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Unemployment claims. So usually markets look at those numbers, which are the ADP non-farm employment change, as a preview of how the NFP would look like on Friday. So it usually comes out 2 days before the NFP, and it came in positive. So yeah, it is expected to have positive NFP tomorrow.
let's see how it goes. I completely
Yeah,
forgot
but
about the NFP.
the forecast number is like nearly half the previous number, the forecast number on Friday.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
check it. Uh,
Sorry, Rosa, you were saying something.
no, I just was saying I completely forgot about the NFP tomorrow.
hmm
It's
Are you
slipped from
working
my mind.
tomorrow? Are you trading tomorrow?
I'm trading tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like it, to be honest. I mean, I'm not feeling it either. Not feeling on my top performance this week. So
Yeah.
let's see. But yeah, I'll be trading at least a few hours in the morning, couple of hours in the morning, first thing in the morning, and probably that's it.
Hmm. Um, Actually, I went back to swing because like scalping and day trading needs more clarity, and I lack clarity these days because of
Mm,
uh, fasting, being sick.
yeah,
Yeah, so I'm not feeling my best, as you said. So now I went back to swing trading, and I'm doing pretty well actually, unlike the
sensible thing to
previous
do.
period.
Mm.
So what's our bias for today? Are we selling or are we buying?
I don't have any bias. How about you, Rajdeep?
No, same. I don't think. I don't think. I'm not very sure. Like the recent war volatility, I'm just staying away from gold. Actually, no bias.
Okay, so show you something, guys. I don't know if I mentioned this in our previous live stream or not. One second. Let me share my screen. I don't know if you guys remember this analysis from last time, but do you guys remember this green rectangle?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so like the scenarios we had were like either we continue going up after we after we break this level, which was the 250, or was it 250? What was the? No, it was 120 actually. Yeah, it was 120, and like we had different scenarios. The first one was either it continues going up from here, or it might get to this point and then sell off, and that's what happened. But I don't know if I actually said this in the live stream or I just like thought of it, but I'm going to say it again, and you guys tell me if I said this before or not. But I was trying to catch this move because either way, my analysis was either way, if it's going down or it's going up from here, this area is guaranteed. Like this move up is most likely to happen. Either scenario, if it's going up and making like if it's heading to new all-time highs, this is going to happen. This wave right here, or if it's going to reach this area and then reverse and like drop all the way to this trend line, this is also like this also needs to happen as a wave. Do you guys remember this analysis or like?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
You
So I
said
said
that,
it out loud. Yeah. Yeah. So what I did last week I was in buys from this area, if you remember. I missed like the perfect entry, but I entered eventually. I exited at like here, like when the market opened, there was a gap. So I exited right like when the market opened because like I wasn't feeling confident of this movement or of this. Like if you look at it, look how strong the drop was, and look how soft and how slow the climb was. So this shows like weak momentum to the upside. So even though when like I had this idea while I was thinking during the weekend after they striked or they after they struck Iran,
Yeah.
I was like, what if this time gold drops because of war, not the opposite? What if like this time it does not go up, it goes down? Because everyone is expecting this war, and maybe it's already priced in. They've been talking about it for the past, I don't know, 3 4 months. So and it's been escalating. So what if this time the market will correct downwards, or the gold will drop instead of going up? And that's exactly what happened. So the minute the market opened on Monday, I closed my buy position and I waited for a sell signal, and I sold, and I've been in sells for the past couple of days, and it's doing fine.
Yes,
Uh,
it's doing all
so
right.
yeah, sorry.
No. I mean, I'm saying you are doing all right with this sell. Clearly
Yeah,
see.
and let me tell you where I think it might go. We have different levels that might hold this or might hold the price. We have the 4,800. This is this trend line. We have 4,800, and we might do this. One second. This might be just like another leg to the downside, and we might reach this area. I don't know if you guys remember this analysis.
Yes, and I'm waiting for your first level. I also have
which is
an area.
4,800.
Mhm.
Okay. So what are your plans there? Are you going to buy?
Not the moment it hits the level, so I have to see. It depends on the intensity. So if
Okay.
it's dropping like hell, I won't be buying. Depends on how it gets there. That's the key.
Okay. So now I think um, we're like minimum during this session or like the upcoming couple of sessions. I think we're going to hit 5,000. So we're dropping around $150 from here. That's a minimum.
Hmm.
So yeah, let's wait and see. That's what I have. Rajdeep, would you like to share your screen and tell us what you think?
Yes. Actually, now that I look at your charts, everything
Yeah,
makes so much sense. Like I think they have all been planning the strike and the gold. Their whole buy climb was just like fake buyers to invite more buyers to just get them out during the war, because everyone was expecting like the market gap up was expected, but the fall wasn't expected after that.
yeah. So I think it's all part of like a bigger game because like when did that happen? Like most of people or majority of people um, actually guess the right direction. It's very early to happen, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Like this never happens. Like everyone knows that gold is going up. No, this feels off.
For me, I think this whole sale that we had, like this
Yeah,
was kind of so this low. I am still wishing for this low to be taken out in the next 2 days. Most of the people would have stop losses here.
yeah,
So even if gold has to start moving up again, I think it should fall again, get this low, and then we can start climbing up. And for the nearest weeks, I want this low to get taken out, like on the Tuesday when we had the fall.
yeah,
Mm, For right now, I'm looking at this low. I think we should get that today or tomorrow.
yeah.
This
That's
fall.
exactly what I think. Yeah,
Hmm.
I agree. I totally agree with this.
So we
Um,
we are all waiting the same area.
yeah,
Yes, we are.
around like 5,000. I think
Yeah.
5,000 or like a little bit below it would be a good place, like or a good reaction area. So let's wait
Yeah,
and see.
yeah, it's exactly 5,000.
Yeah, I'd like to show you now, but there's
Rosa, would you like to
he's
explain on
saying
that?
he'd like to short gold now, but there's upcoming high impact news. Correct. You shouldn't be
Hmm.
trading around high impact news. So, Rajdeep, you were saying?
No,
Oh,
I was asking
no,
like,
he was asking me, but I don't analyze the market, Rajdeep. I work in 1 minute, so I don't have any bias. So I'm waiting for this level to get hit, but that doesn't mean I'm not in buys or sells while we're speaking. So
yeah.
so I don't know. I don't even know how to analyze the market. So
Guys, do you remember our like discussion last week when we were talking about like funded accounts and like prop
yeah.
accounts?
Hmm.
Um,
Yes.
like you said, you buy like, uh, especially specifically talking to Rosa, because she said she buys like 15 or like 20 accounts every month. Now, how do you like? I was trying to like go through that like mentally. How do you actually trade 20 different accounts? Is it all at the same time, or like you use each account as a stop loss of a single trade or a couple of trades?
No, I don't do it actually. I just manage. I've developed a system. So it's not 20 accounts per month. A month I might trade 40, 50 accounts.
Oh, wow.
Um, So I created a system with the AI that it's like an that the person managing the orchestra. I don't know what's the name in English. So
The
I'm there like
conductor, I think.
like a director or something like that.
Yeah.
And so I copy trades based on companies. So let's say company one, and then I copy trade all the trades within all the accounts I have. So my director software also understands which account is on the first stage, second stage, how much profit do I have to get, when to
Okay.
stop. So it does everything. So the only thing I have to do end of the day
Plan the trade.
is no, not even so, because I've got bots running. It's just buying accounts.
Oh wow. That's very impressive. That was very badass of you to say.
So
Like no, I not even that. I just buy accounts and I have a whole orchestra running for me. That
I,
was wow.
I mean, I can't show you on screen because it's futures companies, but yeah, for instance, yesterday out of 17 accounts traded, I only lost 2 accounts, but today I've already lost 7 accounts. So at the end of the day, I do replace these accounts and I start over.
But you lost like an already funded account, or you lost like an account at the first stage or second stage.
It
And
doesn't
please,
matter.
like, excuse my ignorance because I honestly have no idea about the whole prop industry. So I know I might be asking stupid questions, but I
No,
really want to
no,
understand.
it doesn't matter. So if I lose an account, I try not to lose accounts, but if I lose them, I lost today 2 funded accounts.
Okay.
And it's what it is. So move on, and I replace them with 2 evals again, so stage one accounts, and I'll start over.
Okay, so you don't actually do the trading like the first stage, or like what's it called, like the
Yeah,
evaluation?
yeah, stage one
Yeah.
evaluation and funded. Yeah, so I don't know.
Okay.
I I mean, I focus on my personal account. That's my only focus. So that's why I developed that, so I can have an extra income um, without me wasting time trading
That's
or
so
thinking.
gangster of you to say.
So
I have a whole orchestra working for me. Nice.
yeah, but I did it for free with AI. So
Yeah, but that shows how smart you are.
no, no, not me. The AI. It's she's the smart one. So yeah, so it's running now. I already have 2, 4, 5, 7 accounts to trade today.
So, like, when you say I have 7 accounts to trade today, do you mean like
The
fresh
bots.
accounts, new accounts, or
Maybe fresh, maybe they are on stage one, but because I do small trades, so I try not to lose the accounts. So I keep trading, and the bots decide where is the best place to trade based on the things I've programmed. So the bots are mine. I've developed them, and they are based on my scalping strategy. So I've got new accounts, I've got stage one accounts, and I've got 2 funded accounts still pending to be traded. And the bots have until 9 o'clock to work on these accounts.
hmm,
Mm.
interesting, very interesting.
Do you like copy trade all of them together, like evils and the funded, or do you trade them separately?
No, I trade all together, but the bot knows which one's funded automatically. I don't have to do anything, and which one's eval, and how much far away are from passing a stage or um, uh, withdraw money. So they they do things different. So I trade them all together. But when they are in the same trade, when they are in the trade, they are managed independently, depending on the stage and depending on the P&L and L and the daily target.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Nice.
Gold is dropping
Hmm.
very bad.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think it started, but we need to clear the um, yesterday's low, which was 105, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah, so we're like $10 away from clearing yesterday's low. If that happens, I think we're going to see an aggressive drop to the downside.
Hmm.
gold's dropping before the news, right?
Yeah, the news still like have 9 minutes to go. Guys, I have a question. Off topic. Um, how's my voice? I mean, like I changed microphones. Is it clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
it
good.
is. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you. Thank you. So back to trading. Yeah, we broke yesterday's low.
Okay, yes.
That's 4 hours. 4 hours doing great. Yeah, we're below 5100.
Hmm.
Back above again. So it's volatile. It's pretty volatile now.
True, yeah, I'm staying
Yeah,
away
and
from
the
gold.
news like we're not out.
Oh.
Gold can go to 4900 now. Yeah, Pearson Hardman is saying, Suham is saying it can go to 4900, and I agree. Gold is going to the Mariana Trench. Get the news. Okay, so 94 now.
Hmm. Oh.
We could have some buy opportunity here, like if we take out the Tuesday low.
Which is 5000, you mean?
Yeah,
Like after it takes out the low or before?
no, after it takes out the low.
Yeah. I think that depends on the reaction and the behavior around that level.
Mhm.
But because like we don't have like proper levels to just catch a falling knife from.
Mhm.
Or what do you think? What's your analysis? Like, would you buy at, for example, 4,995 just blindly, or like what do you need to see before you go in?
I would like to see some sweep, like if it makes a wick below on the 1 hour
And
or
I close
yeah,
like above
yeah, yeah,
on what time frame?
like on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, 15 minutes, like the not the smaller time frames.
Yeah, but I think, and correct me if I'm wrong. I think if like you're going to wait for an hourly candle to close above this level, it's going to
Yeah,
be uh, like if your analysis or your idea is valid, it might close way above the level. It might close up like 150,
true. Yeah.
and then your
Mm.
stop loss would be $150 away. Like, would you consider looking at lower time frames, or like your strategy says that I have to see 1 hour sweep and then rejection?
Yeah, for me, I always look at the 1 hour. I
One
think
hour,
the
okay.
higher, yeah, the higher the time frame, the higher the accuracy of the trade. Like
Yeah, I
If
agree.
it closes like in here around this place, then obviously I won't go for the trade because it's just it would be a small retracement to here or then fall again. Hope
Yeah,
maybe. So yeah, that would make no sense. But if it's let's say it sweep
yeah,
and close, yeah, then we can
exactly.
have some.
I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, like in the second case, yeah, I would take that trade too. Yeah.
Hmm.
I'll take the chance at 50-50, like 5,050. Shishi is saying.
Hmm.
Mm.
Like yeah, if this closes above here again, taking out this Asia low and the previous day low, then I think we'll just be ranging in this box until NFP. I don't know.
After breaking yesterday's low, I doubt that we'll be arranging, uh, like at least for like today's session, like New York
Yeah.
session. But let's see. Everything's possible. We have 3 minutes to go, and the initial jobless claims will be out.
Yeah, can't wait.
Are you in like buys or sells, Rosa?
No, 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 no. I'm out of the market.
You don't have any open positions, huh?
No,
Okay.
but I'd like to see gold dropping a little bit.
Did you go for the ski vacation, Rosa?
Yeah, yeah, only for the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, here I don't know there Dubai or India or other places, but here there's a lot of holidays in general. Like in 3 weeks, like end of the month, but yeah, 3 weeks, end of the month, there's 10 day holidays at school. So we'll
It's
go somewhere again for 10 days.
is it every month?
Nearly, not every month, but there's like 15 days in general, like Friday, Saturday, Monday, Sunday, and then either Friday or Monday. It's like bank holiday, and of those, there's like around 15. But then schools take some other advantages, and they decide to add an extra day. So yeah, quite a lot. And in summer, well, kids have no school from mid June up until September. So it's 2 months and a half with no school. That means, what do you do with them? There's campus and everything, but usually we go on holidays for 2 months.
In India, we get like two holidays, like for the summer holidays and the winter holidays. That is every all.
That's
Other than that,
everything.
we don't. Yeah,
Hmm.
like when we are in school, like you we used to dream for those days.
Yes. I used to do because we also have like 12 days in winter holidays, and then the summer holidays is 2 months and a half, which is a lot. And I liked it when I was a kid, but now that I'm a parent, I don't like that many holidays because you don't know what to do with the kids. And that's the truth. There's no habits or routine in place, and they get bored and blah blah blah. So long weekends.
Teach them trading.
Ah,
Teach them trading.
I wish, but they look at the candles and they ask me, "Do they pay you because you are throwing all the same things every single day,
Yeah,
and
tell
it's
them,
boring.
yeah. And like you like they'll be busy for the next 3 summers, I think. See, I solved
Okay, they're
your
out.
problem.
These are out.
User out. Yeah, it's positive. Positive for the US dollar, which is negative for gold, but it's
Mm,
slightly better than expected.
mm.
And it matches the previous reading, which is 213,000 jobless claims. So no change in jobless claims uh, week over week.
Oh, just a second, please.
Yeah, take your time.
We
Yeah, I
closed
think.
above these levels actually.
Sorry, again?
Like we closed above these levels. Like it's basically kind of a sweep here. What do you think?
Like, it might be. Um, but, like, what's that, 15 minutes?
Yeah, it's written in it.
Could it be? Um, like, it swept, like, multiple levels, like 1, 2, and 3.
Guys,
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm really, really sorry, but I have to dash off. Family
no
issue.
problem, no problem.
Okay.
All good. Take care of
See you.
yourself.
I might connect back in 30 minutes or so, but I'm not sure.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Take care of
Bye
yourself.
bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's actually a great catch. It might be a sweep.
Yeah.
It's like even on different time frames. Hmm. Yeah, that's actually a great catch. But as you said, I'd rather wait and see the 1 hour close. It's like
Yeah.
26 minutes ago, 26 minutes to go. So
Mhm.
I say let's wait for that. Or we might be creating a very like classic, um, what's it called? Um, pattern, which is the triangle, which is a continuation pattern to the previous trend, which is a down trend on lower time
Yeah.
frames. It might be like a bearish pennant or something. So
Mhm.
we'll be like ranging like in a narrowing range that looks like a triangle until like it breaks down and continues the drop. But so far, I think your theory is solid. It might be like a sweep.
Yeah,
Uh,
probably because the news is still not yet out, so I don't know. But if we look under 5 minutes, I think we like broke this channel here because we got the
yeah, about
closer
five
here.
minutes. We closed below. No, we
Yeah.
didn't. We closed below. Yeah. So this is that. Hmm. It's a bit tricky, but I'll just like keep holding my trade.
Mhm.
I won't change anything. Now. I'll just wait. But let's try to find a level that if it reaches like that level, we could be getting like some short scalps.
Yes.
I think, I'm not sure. I think it's the 150. If we go back to 150, that wouldn't be like an invalidation to the like downward movement, but
Mhm.
at the same time, it's like a strong support that used to be support. Now it turned into a resistance, or it might turn into a resistance because Remember, like all day we've been like trading above 150, 150, 150. So
Yes,
I
yes.
think if we go and retest 150 from the downside, now it might react, or it might act as a resistance instead of support. So what do you think?
Yep. Yeah, same.
Yeah, you
Like we
agree?
can, yes, yes. Like right now we can like retest here, and on the 1 hour, if we close below with strong momentum, then it should keep falling to this one, Tuesday low. Yeah, it's better we wait here.
Yeah. So the retest from beyond the trend line is 150.
Yes, exactly 150.
Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. So it made sense.
Yeah.
Pearson, that's exactly what I like. I would explain. Rajdeep has it exactly the same.
Hope all are safe and okay. Like, what is it going right now? Like, is US controlling the Iran government, or what's actually happening?
No, no,
I have
no,
no
no.
clue.
You know, like what Trump is saying. They asked Trump in a press conference, like, okay, since like the supreme leader is taken out now, like who took his place? It's like I don't know. Like the position is empty right now. I think
Mhm.
like I keep making jobs everywhere I go. I made a new job in Iran too. So yeah, he keeps joking about it. So nothing. They're only like striking, having airstrikes on Iran, and historically, like it's like it has never worked to change a regime, for, like only with airstrikes. You need to go on the ground. So yeah, so far, like yeah, nothing. They have zero control. They're just striking Iran using airstrikes. Nothing. The same regime still uh, controls the government. Let's see what questions we have. Guys, do you have any questions regarding this trade, regarding Iran, regarding the US, regarding the geopolitical situation? Let's make it fun. We
Yeah.
have how much? We have we have 21 minutes to go for this 1 hour candle to close. So let's make it fun. Okay.
One more thing that I've been seeing this week, like gold is dropping and Bitcoin is moving up. Like
Yeah,
after a lot of
people
time,
are
I'm actually seeing
repositioning.
something. Yeah, the money is shifting.
Exactly. And what's it called? The US indices, the stock market is ranging as if it's telling you like it's not sure. Like should I continue going up or should I just drop? So yeah, but the Dow Jones is down pretty well. The S&P is showing some signs of weakness.
What do you think will happen to football World Cup? World Cup?
Nothing will happen. I think Iran is not invited. That's it. But oil might drop if there is a surrender from Iran. Not really, no. Like the oil situation is a little bit tricky, like in Iran, because Iran is a producing and like exporting like country, oil producing and exporting country. So In the past, they had sanctions on Iran that they're not allowed, no one's allowed to buy oil from Iran. Now, if the regime changes and suddenly like people are allowed to buy from Iran, that means like the supply is increased in the world. So this might actually cause prices to go down. Yes, but this is the only case. What if Iran does not surrender? What if Iran surrenders, but like the next regime, like is also not how the U.S. wants it to be. So they will still have the sanctions, so nothing changes. Like there are many factors that might affect the situation, but if you want to keep all factors unchanged, yes. If they surrender, I think the oil price might drop. Mexico is also the host. Yeah, Mexico is fine. Okay. What other questions do we have, guys? The euro is dropping pretty bad, huh?
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah.
and the DXY is, I think it's reversing. خلاص.
Yes.
Yeah, no more dropping. If it breaks 100.4, it's going up. Like we're 1.4 dollars away from reversing. So I think it will happen. Do you take any trades?
Yeah. I took one trade today just, and I'm very sad actually because I just closed it at 1:1, and this is
It continues
it,
going up.
yeah, it went to the previous day high. I was
Uh,
waiting for a again to
that
this.
was early on in Asia session, no?
No, no, it was during the London Open.
So it went up from, yeah, I remember now, from
Yeah.
119 to like, yeah.
So this was a GJ buy, like swept the previous day low, also the Tuesday low, and like you were asking recently on the gold chart, like would you buy if there is a sweep here? So let's say this 1 hour swept the previous day low here, or Tuesday low, and so I actually took this trade with the stop loss below this low. But if the 1 hour would have been closed somewhere around here, so this would not be a good trade because the RR wouldn't be good enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, I feel
But
very bad.
what made you close, where you closed? Like, why didn't you wait more?
Actually, I think I saw some big candles on 5 minute. I don't know. Yes, yes. This 5 minute bearish candle.
Okay.
Yeah, this I think I was thinking like it would
It
come
might
again
reverse,
today.
like, yeah.
Yeah. So I was actually I'm on the phase two of a few accounts. So I was going very slow and safely, just though
Hmm.
this is just that I don't lose the account.
Okay.
Plus, I wasn't expecting this huge move before NFP. I don't know why. But
It's
yes,
not
it
really
was.
huge, to be honest. Like it's just like it's range. It's a $100 range.
Yeah.
In comparison with like these days that we're living,
Yeah.
like in the past, like a $20 range or a $20 swing, we used to call it a swing. But now, like $100 is nothing on gold because like it
Mhm.
moves it like back and forth multiple times a day. So yeah, but that's a great trade, and I get the idea that you're playing it safe because you're on stage two of some accounts.
Mhm.
Um, have you ever thought of like leaving 20% of your position running?
Yeah, I actually do that, but I don't know. I was just thinking like
It
this
wasn't
might
your
reduce.
analysis. Yeah, I
Yeah.
got you. It happens. Sometimes
Like,
like I just analyze the time frame I'm on, and I don't like. Yeah, I get it.
like if I had been super systematic, like if I had some bot or I don't know some AI tools, then this would be the trade. But yeah,
Rosa needs to teach us how to use
yeah,
bots and AI and stuff.
yeah. This trade is so much perfect. Like this is the previous day high, and we are just moving from one previous day low to the previous day high of Tuesday. I think yeah. Do you not trade anything, any other pairs except gold?
No, I trade the euro, I trade the GBP, I trade the GBP, JPY. I sometimes trade indices, but yeah, in terms of trading, that's pretty much it. But investing, I invest almost in everything: stock market, crypto, whatever. Uh, okay. Talking of the stock market, I was talking to a friend the other day, and we were discussing Nvidia, and like imagine if we bought, like he was saying, like imagine if I bought silver back when it was like $15 an ounce. So I gave him a better example. I told him, what about Nvidia? He was like, what about it? I told him, do you know, like just a fun fact, that in October 2022, if you bought Nvidia, you would have made 1,600% return only in 4 years. That's like silver last year made 170%, and it was all on all headlines. Nvidia went up 1,700% almost in 4 years. So yeah, the stock market can be very crazy, and you don't need leverage in the stock market because like the average daily movement is 10%, 15%, sometimes
Mhm.
20%, depending on what you were trading. If you were trading, but I like investing in the stock market because it's like it changes lives, man.
True. No, actually, I haven't been much into investing, but it is like passive income,
Yeah,
kind of a passive income. Yeah.
and whenever you get dividends, just reinvest those dividends in the like stock market. It will like speed up the process of building wealth. Like trading can make you money, can make you serious money, but it cannot make you wealth. I think like I've never seen a wealthy trader who does not like take some or like a part of his trading profits and invest those profits. If you just like keep relying on your like skill, at some point you're going to lose. At some point you're going to hit a wall. At some point you're going to get those self doubts. it's a cycle. It keeps happening with traders. So the only like the wealthy traders I know, they always invest some of the or like a good chunk of their trading profits in something else. That's why they remain calm. That's how they think clearly. That's why they make good decisions. So yeah, that's the main reason. Okay, you're trading. You made $1 million today. Okay, good for you. You spend it tomorrow. You try to make another
True.
million. You make another million. You spend it the day after, and then what? You're going to live like this forever? No. And there's
Yeah,
no
even
such thing as
traders,
make.
like even if they earn profits, they cannot spend it because they always have that fear that one day this could go
Yeah,
in just one trade. Yeah, one bad day can remove it
exactly.
all.
So the only way that you can feel the freedom of having money is not by being in like trading only. It's
Yeah.
also like investing some of the trading profits. Guys in the chat, feel alive. If you're not going to feel alive, we're going to just like call it a day.
Yeah, it's very quiet today.
The market is quiet. The chat is quiet. Rosa ran away. I hope like nothing is serious.
How long have you been trading, Saif?
Now I entered my 11th year.
Well,
Or like, did I finish my 11th year? One second. And no, yeah. No, actually, I'm like 10 years and a half in.
wow.
Yeah. It's been a while, huh?
Hmm.
Bro, it changes you from inside. Trading will make you a different person. It will make you it will make you like somehow emotionless. And I think that's the fee of becoming profitable.
Hmm.
You need to just like kill your emotions. You will still feel fear, you will still fear anxiety, greed, the whole thing, but you'll be very you will know when those emotions kick in. It will not
Hmm.
be like you will not be feeling naturally like I'm naturally fearful, I'm naturally greedy, I'm natural. No, you know when you get the feeling, you know what's happening.
Hmm.
This self consciousness is I don't know. It lacks humanity. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I think time and experience plays a huge role. Like you know that you have experienced this before, so yeah, it's time to sit back or sit down.
Yeah.
But when we start out, those same things just repeat and repeat.
How long have you been trading?
I started in 2021, and that was
Yeah.
actually the Indian stock market. Like I used to trade some stocks, just normal. I buy some stocks, hold it for a few weeks, and then just sell it again. Most of the profits would be cut in the taxes and all that. So
Oh,
after that, I jumped into futures and options. And during 2022 or 2023, I actually got into crypto. Like I was looking all these new crypto millionaires. I saw them,
okay.
and that is actually when I knew that there's something like a market outside of Indian markets. I didn't even knew that there was a bigger market before.
That's why you're trading options inside the Indian market.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And actually, I
And
was
like,
quite profitable there, but then I lost a lot of money in that due to all that theta decay and everything. Like even price would be moving to my side, I wouldn't be making any money just because the time decay would eat everything up.
hmm,
Yeah.
interesting. And gold is dropping. What's happening? And like, when did you think that you, or not? When did you think? When did you achieve profitability in trading? Like,
That's actually last year, April. From from April, I've been getting consistent payouts, and before that, I was just losing every other month. I'd be losing money. I even had days when I used to like borrow from my mom, and actually, I would lie to her that I have to pay some college fees and all that, and I used to trade with that money. Like I was very, I didn't had any other bad habit, but this like became very bad habit.
hmm. But like, what made you profitable? What do you think made you profitable? Like, did you lose the urgency of I need to make money now, or
Yeah.
was it like you learned something new, you improved your edge? What was the thing that like improved your trading to the point that you suddenly became profitable? There's nothing as like as suddenly, I know, but that's how
Mhm.
it looks like. But like, when was the turning point for you?
I think the turning point was when I started following the real traders, not because social media is, I think, full of fake
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
Yeah, like when you see those other guys making 50K, 100K one day, trading one day, you like set some standards yourself, which isn't true actually. Like
yeah.
if you're beginning, then you're bound to fail, and that is what we actually do not accept when we start out, and we just feel like we have to win no matter what. We have to take those all losses in just one trade, and it kept repeating. But actually, then my changing point was when I actually found Funding Pips Paulina's videos, and I used to watch them a lot, like to improve my psychology. And even on Instagram, I removed Instagram. I switched to X, Twitter, where I actually
Okay.
find those genuine guys, because I think Instagram is full of fake stuff. And I used to think that I have to become those guys to actually be called or labeled as a trader, which is actually very wrong. And that's when I started working on my psychology and took it very slow. Like I wasn't like aiming to make money anymore. I was just aiming to be good at what I'm doing. Like if
Uh-huh.
I'm trading, yeah, if I'm
That's
trading
the key.
only, yes,
Like, I've been listening very closely. I'm waiting for the key. This is it. This is the key.
yeah.
Yeah, when you stopped like doing it for the money and you started like focusing on becoming good at what you do, that's when
Hmm.
everything changes. Yes. It's like, I think it's pretty much the same for everyone.
Hmm.
Like, just focus on doing the best trades possible. That's it.
I remember I used to have one sticky notes, and I used to write down everything why I lost, not why I won. I wouldn't focus on the winning trades. Like when I started focusing on why I lost my trades, what I could have changed to make it better, that's when I actually found my weaknesses, and making some rules around those weaknesses, that you are bad
Yes.
at this. Stop
Journaling.
doing that.
You
Yeah.
started journaling. Yeah.
Yes. Because as traders we are very egoistic. Like I think
Yeah.
the most bad mistake is that we cannot accept ourselves that we can be bad at some things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Um,
that's it.
well, the market humbles you, and the market teaches you the hard way.
True.
It teaches you the hard way. But like, if time goes back, I would do it exactly the same. I would go through every single thing I went through, because it changes you as a person from the inside. I know, like, you lost some. There are some negative stuff of being like, or negative parts of being a trader, but the rest of it, or the positive part, is very positive.
Hmm.
It lets you understand yourself. It lets you, or it helps you master your mind. So we close the 1 hour candle. Am I? Yeah. This is the
Yeah, we
hourly chart in front of
both
you, right?
below, yes.
Yeah. So that's not a sweep anymore.
Yeah, there's no buys. I won't be taking
Ye-
buys.
Yeah, but mm, so what was I saying? I forgot. Long story short, trading makes you a better person if you do it if you do it right. Lets you master your mind, and this helps you navigate life with more ease.
Mm-hmm.
That's my opinion.
Rajdeep, how many accounts you own before first reward? I cannot count, bro. It's more than 15. Yes,
More
I
than
think
15?
yes, but it was all small accounts. I think that was the best decision that I took when I started trading. I just used to trade with the 5K accounts.
So you started with the 5K accounts and then you started scaling up as you went.
Yes, because when I was in college, I used to get like a small monthly allowance from my parents to run the whole month. And because I didn't have any money actually, because and I'm grateful for that because if I had more money, I would be losing that too.
Yeah. So you kept losing for like how long? Prop accounts we're talking, not in general.
Uh, I started during 2024 November, 2024 August, September, November.
So
I
a
think
year, almost a year, yeah?
yeah, almost 8 months. Yes,
Yeah. So the 15 accounts that you lost are like over 8 months.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Like I was passing on during the later stages. I was passing phase one, losing on phase two, and then even I was funded with a few firms, but they didn't pay me, and all this cycle
Oh,
went on.
that's bad, man.
Hmm.
So this actually happens. Like I hear this a lot, but I didn't know that it happens. Like why would they deny your payout? For what reason? You're obviously trading. You know what you're
Hmm.
doing. You have like stop loss, TP, and you're trading something very known, which is like your strategy is not something that might look like abuse.
Hmm.
So why would they do that? Like, and are
Because
there still they're all gone?
because there wouldn't be any loss to the company if they denied a smaller trader,
Hmm.
and that is actually not shown on the Instagram reels, and you won't find it on YouTube as well. But in prop firm industry, yeah, what you get is leverage for your money. Like if you're spending $500 on an account, you get a spending power of $10,000 or a trading capital of $10,000. So you have to take everything like it just maths. Like if you're spending $500 and you are taking out let's say $5,000 after 2 3 months, that is a good win. But people set very huge standards or high expectations with these accounts, and they
Like, yeah,
start.
I want this one account to like stay with me forever, and I keep making millions out of this one account. Yeah,
Mhm,
but that's human nature, no?
mhm.
Being
I
on
think
these.
like the firms these days, I won't name any, but right now there's very few firms that someone can trust if they're beginning. Like if you don't have an online presence and you're unfortunately stuck with the wrong firms, you won't be paid. That is the hard reality, and no one's stepping up for you. Like if you would come to me and say, brother, I lost my payout, could you help me? How can I help you, bro?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
And like, how can you? I don't know. Like, how can you get your money from that firm? Like, Where would you
No,
go and like claim that money? No
no,
way.
there's no way. Yeah, there's no way. It completely depends on the CEO or the firm. If you are trading with a firm that has no CEO presence, the CEO is not um, coming together with the community, not uh, talking around.
It has no
You
work
know,
ethic. Yeah, this is dangerous.
yes, like on funding pips, every other morning, Khalid comes to say hi. What can we improve on? And there's very few firms that does that. Like you need to have a team that is actually working to get the firm better for you, which is very rare these days.
Yeah,
Even if, and I truly believe that he doesn't need to do all this because funding pips is running great, but still he does that, and that
yeah,
actually
because
shows.
that's what makes like great companies. And
Mhm.
me knowing Khalid, I know that he's not planning to build something mediocre. He's looking to be the best. He's looking
Yes.
to build a great company, which he has done, to be honest. So shout out to Funding Pips and shout out to Khalid. Proud of you, brother. Okay, so nothing is changing. What do you think will happen now? The hourly candle closed very bearish. I
Yeah.
think we might get the 150. If we do, I'm going to sell again. I'm going to
Yes. Yes.
add to my position. But
Yes.
if
I'm looking
not,
for.
sorry.
Yeah, yeah, I'm looking for that as well. Like need a small push up, and then we can plan some
Yeah,
sales.
if I get 150, I'm definitely selling again.
Hmm.
But for now, I'm going to just keep holding my cells and I'll just wait. But I think we will get $5,000 per ounce today, like by
Yeah.
the middle of this session or maybe the end of this session. I'm not sure.
Hmm. Yeah, it's possible. After the NYC Open, we can have that. It's very possible.
Yeah, I think the NYSE Open might push us up to 150, and then we start dropping to 5,000. No.
Hmm.
Okay.
I want to tell you something. Like I still remember my first payout. I
Yeah.
had seven. I had only 70 followers on my X page, and most of the followers were my mom's account, my dad's account, and
Okay.
I actually posted that this is my first true payout from a prop firm, and Khalid was the first one to repost that, which actually got me followers and got me started out with a community.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah,
And was it with Funding Pips? Yeah.
yeah, it was a funding pips. Yes.
So it was with Funding Pips. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, ask questions. Feel alive. Everyone's fasting. Come on. Okay. Silver is dropping, bad.
Silver.
Yeah. It's even like looks even worse than gold.
Oh yeah.
So we have the 64 level, and then we have the 54 level. So we have like two levels, $10 apart. I would be more than happy to buy silver around 60 and around 55.
Yeah,
But,
six.
but like not as a trade, but as an investment. So, because like I was lucky enough to close my like long-term investment in silver at 111.7, which is very close to the all-time high. And
Mhm.
then we saw this drop. So I'm planning to buy again, repurchase the same amount of silver, or like not even the same amount, more if it goes back down to 50s or 60s. So let's see.
On silver, we drop from 120 to 60. So, like, is that like a 50% drop?
Yeah, I think so. It's almost 50%.
No.
Yeah, it's 47%.
Hmm.
But I think we might see. 1 second. Uh, yeah, I think we can see 50s again.
50s.
Yuri, Z big short will work this time. Looks like. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Bank Nifty. I think this is it. This time it will work.
I'm from India, Meghalaya.
Do you think gold will keep pushing down with NY open to fill the wick, or after grabbing all this liquidity will push up to 197 or 5,210? Um, I'm like most likely, I don't see gold going up after what we saw, like at least for this session. Geopolitics has no effect on gold. It does, but it's already priced in. Plus that, like the first reaction that gold got was fear. So when the market opened, we saw gold jumping $90 to the upside. So it did what it had to do. But then traders and investors have to reposition themselves in a way that serves them best during this war. So they might be interested in buying natural gas instead of having gold. So they liquidate their gold positions to buy cash or to buy uh, natural gas or oil or whatever. So it does have an effect on gold, but like you need to think outside the box a little bit to understand how gold moves. Would you like to answer the question, Rajdeep?
Um,
Do you think gold will keep pushing down with NY open to fill the wick?
or after grabbing all this, you got to push up. Yeah, for the time being, I'm still looking to go to this Tuesday low, which is 5,000 approx. Um, no clear buy opportunity until we get this low. You can have some small scalps here and there, but I think true buying should come after this Tuesday low, or actually this daily low here, which is 4,400. This 15-minute engulfing looks good, but I'm still looking for that retest on the trend line, the 5150. Do you think sale under 5105 can be possible? 5105? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I want to, I want price to move up during the NYSE Open. Also, we have this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. So let's say we push up to this fair value gap or to retest this trend line here, and then we can actually target this lows here, this one, and the Tuesday low. Then we can start continuing again under 5105. But it's also possible that we can just stay inside this box until NFP is out.
I am very interested in the 150 trade. Because like the stop loss is nothing in comparison with, like, let me see the risk reward.
Like, where would your stop loss be if you would be selling here?
160, 161 maximum.
Okay.
Like, even if you target 5,000 or 5,000, actually, no, not 5,000. If you target 5,040, that's a 1 to 10. That's great. That's a great trade.
Does
Where
it
would you
hard
place your stop?
with it turn einer?
Where would you place your stop if you sold at 150?
Yeah, I would place above this bearish candles here. That is around 5160. Yes.
Yeah, so same level.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Gold's dropping again.
Yeah, it might never, like, not never. Like, I mean, it might not reach 150 during this session, but if it does, I have
Yes.
to go in. I seriously have to go in.
This could be like a retest of the previous day low. Like on the 5 minute, it is kind of a retest almost
Yeah.
on the Tuesday low. We still have 10 minutes to the NYC Open. Danny, can you write this again? Does it hard USDT turn einer? I didn't understand it.
I think he means Indian rupee. Is it
Mhm.
hard to convert USDT into rupees?
Uh, Not really, but if you don't have good connections here, you would get into scams. Like crypto is still very unregularized here in India, so it's very tough to convert crypto into INA.
So we have 9 minutes to go before NYC open. Do you think it will retrace upwards when the market
Yeah,
opens, or
yeah, I'm looking for something like this during the NYC. Price should go up to retest the 150, and then I can actually start to plan some trade. But right now here there is no risk reward here. There's no valid point to put a stop loss. How many pips do you? Another 100 points to 5,000. Can we actually do that today?
yeah, very possible.
Mm-hmm. When you like explained during the earlier part of the stream, when
Mhm.
explaining this whole buy side that was very slow and not very clean, I actually thought like the investors and the market makers, I think they already knew when the strike would be, and they were buying up during those times. Like for us normal traders, this war news is like something new, but maybe they had this info way ahead of their time.
Maybe, and there were some signs too.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Uh, TP hit on GBPB JPY.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you think sell under 105 can be possible? Yeah, we'll answer those. 6 minutes to go.
I don't see any trades like anywhere.
Yet.
Yeah.
Going up.
We're slowly moving up.
Do you think we're going to get the 150 or no?
It is possible.
Yeah, I know it's possible, but what do you think? Do you think we're getting it or no? Let's gamble.
Yeah, I think it should get there, and I'm planning this till the previous day low. It's around 1:9.
Do you think the stop loss is valid? I have your same stop loss, so I'm just like um, thinking out loud. Do you think it's valid, or we should move it above the previous high, which is I think
Uh,
180 or one something?
no, I think this stop loss is good. Like this area was acting like a support. Like we moved up from here once, twice,
Yeah.
and so I'm actually taking this like a resistance now. So if this one breaks here, so it's obviously possible. Then we can just move to the Asia high. So
Yeah.
there's no point having a bigger stop loss than this.
Hmm. What about your TP? Is it where's it at?
This is Tuesday low.
To 5,000.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Big RR, yeah.
big RR, yes. But I would close this around 1:3 4 if
Why
this
why
works.
why not? You can enter with like a bigger than usual lot size or like position size because your stop loss is small, and you just like
Mhm.
close most of it on 1 to 3 and then leave the rest to 5,000. It will make a
Yeah,
lot of difference.
yes. Like even that 20% would give another 1 2%, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Mhm. Yeah. I never do this uh, partial booking, but yes, it makes sense.
Yeah, just try it. Like you'll get addicted.
Mhm.
You'll discover that this makes you more money than the actual thing.
Like right now on my funding pips events, I need just 3% to get funded. So I'm very picky on this last trades. Like I don't want to lose any trade right now.
Yeah,
Yeah. So just for that, I actually closed this GJ buy. I was having a gut feeling that it would come back, and so I closed it. But yeah,
that's
I'm
fine
getting
as
very.
long as like I get exactly what you're going through. You don't want
Mhm.
to like risk what like you already made. So let's just like bank the profits, and then once it becomes like a funded account, I can risk as much as I want. So yeah, I
Mhm.
get I get where you're coming from. So I think that's it for today. Like we have a plan for an like a sell idea, a sell position around 150 with stop loss and TPs. Um, um, we've been reading the market for the past I don't know hour and a half, and we answered all questions. So I think let's call it a day. What do you think, Rajdeep?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can end. Yes.
All right. So thank you everyone for tuning in, and thank you for watching, and thank you for your questions, and thank you Rajdeep for joining me.
Thanks for
It's
having
always
me.
a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Like hosting such talents, and Rajdeep is one of my personal favorites. So thank you very much again for joining, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves, you guys. Bye bye.
Thanks for having me. Thanks everyone for joining.
Cheers. Bye.